Hey guys, what's going on? What go on, me peeps, what go on, me peoples? I'm here again with a brand new edition of Whiteboy's Fragrance Corner. And today, we're gonna continue the unboxing and first impressions series. Yes guys, you heard it right. My lovely fragrance family up there by the shelves, they have received new family members, so it's always an exciting thing. And one of them, I've talked about it. One of them was actually on my wish list. I'll make sure I leave the link to that video so you can check it out. And the other one is a perfume that I've been hearing about every now and then, and I found it at a great price, and I've decided, you know what, let me see what this is all about. Yes, we're talking about Mancera Red Tobacco and Montale Starry Nights. Anyhow, this is a 2015 release and this is a 2017 release. So let's see what they're all about. Alright, so let's kickstart with Starry Nights from the house of Montale. Now this is supposed to be an oriental floral perfume, but it's unisex. So based on reviews, it's supposed to be like powdery and stuff like that. So we'll see exactly what this smells like. Alright, and I leave the note brick down here as usual. So nothing special here. The normal box, right? Gold box, Starry Nights, 100 ml. Then you have a description behind here, so and something in Arabic. Nothing special. Then you have the serial number, your typical Montale box. So let's just do this. Okay, alright, it's already pushing through the box. So the box is a bit flimsy, to be honest with you guys, but it's not the box that counts, it's what's inside. And just as usual, in typical Mancera fashion, you have a little drawstring bag. You can keep your coins in it, stuff like that. So, and here is the bottle, typical Montale bottle with the safety pin. Atomizer is supposed to be good. Yep, you see, good distribution. Wow. Alright. So this is supposed to have some white musk, amber, powdery notes. It's supposed to have some, I think, bergamot in it, if I'm not mistaken, florals, rose, jasmine, stuff like that. But this, just in the ear, this smells out of the shower, fresh and clean. This smells clean, but masculine clean, if that makes any sense. This smells clean. Clean. This is like fresh out of the shower, clean. Almost smells like a super expensive body wash. Definitely this smells nothing like I have in my collection. So that's a first. No, I don't get the powdery, what everybody's talking about. But this just smells clean. Yeah, I definitely need to give this some wear. I guess I should be able to pull this off in fall. Before it gets colder, I need to wear this ASAP. I might be able to pull it off in winter as well, but I'm going to wear this on skin. Yeah, screw it. I'm going to wear it on skin. Because sometimes the tester strips can throw you off completely. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I do get a small, tiny bit of the powdery notes. Yeah. Well, so far, just based on first impressions, it is different. To me, as I said before, I get that fresh out of the shower type of smell. And I don't have anything that smells like this in my collection. So for that, I'm giving it 2 thumbs up, only because this is the first fragrance I have with this scent profile. I don't have anything whatsoever that smells like this in my collection. So not bad, but I need to give it some wear and then I can, yeah. So moving up to the other one now. You know, before we get into that though, and I should have done this at the start of the video, and I do apologize. So I was reprimanded by my youngest daughter. Her name is Alana and she's 8 years old. And she said, "Daddy, when are you going to give me and my siblings a shout out?" And I promised her I'll do it in my next video, which happens to be this video. So here we go. Let me just shout out my 3 daughters. Lashana, which is my big daughter, 18 years old. Shouting out a big shout out to Kendra. She's my second daughter, she's 9. And a special shout out to Alana, which is my youngest, 8 years old. You know, here you go. Can't say that I never give you guys a shout out, right? I hope you can't stop quarrel with me now, Miss Alana. Please and thanks. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Red Tobacco, as you all know, this was on my wish list for 2020. I'm going to link that video down below. So I smelled this once briefly, like, so this is going to be interesting. As you all know, I do love the note of tobacco. I've always said it. Tobacco is just that gentleman and gangster note combined. I like it. Tobacco, I can totally see somebody like Al Capone, Frank Sinatra pulling that one off. Very well dressed, but yeah, you know, real rude boy them. So now this has tobacco in it. It has some wood in it. I think it has cinnamon in it and some spices, but I'll leave the notes down here. So I actually pulled off the sellotape before showing you guys, but there was cellophane on it. This is a standard Mancera box. This is 120 ml, right? Some more information around here, ingredients. And the box, it's nothing sturdy either, but in true Mancera fashion, it has the gold string bag. To be honest with you, this to me is a little bit more, this is a different material from Montale. Montale, this is like, I don't know what to call this material. This is more leather-like, probably leatherette or something. And this is like, you know, one of those fabrics that can get wet and stuff. I'm not sure. I probably would have to Google it to see what type of material that this is and what type of material that this is. Again, you can put a pair of sunglasses in this or some coins or stuff like that. Here we go. This is the bottle, red with a black bottle cap, and as usual, is have a screw-on bottle cap, which I do like because you can hold up the bottle and the caps, so that's a plus. If I'm not mistaken, the distributor, the atomizer on this supposed to be good as well. Here we go. Powerful distribution, even distribution. So let's go. Starry Night smells strong. Yeah. Yep. You know what? I'm just gonna spray this on skin. I won't bother with the tester strip. Alright. Now, at first sniff, I don't get the tobacco. But give it a few seconds. And then now the tobacco note, it pushes through. There's some sweetness in it, and I think that could come from probably the cinnamon that's in there. I get the oud. I definitely get the oud. I get the sandalwood as well. There's something fruity there, but I can't make out exactly what it is. Not bad. Not bad at all. Again, I'm sure that this is going to make my winter list. Definitely. And as soon as okay, alright, it's beginning to change. I need to give this some proper wear before I can really and truly cast my judgment on it. But it being a tobacco fragrance, I do have a good amount of tobacco based fragrances, and again, this smells different from the others, which is a good thing. But I need to give this some wearing and give this the right amount of time, the right amount of testing before I really and truly can say, you know, what I really think about it. Again, this is just first impressions, so once I see the review, it might change. But that Starry Night though, this is different. To be honest with you guys, the Starry Night reminds me of Narcisco Rodriguez. Because Narcisco Rodriguez, they're musk type, they're musk based scents. So it has some similarities, but yeah, two very solid pickups. I'm glad I found this very reasonably priced, especially the Mancera. I mean, this is 120 ml, and most Manceras, they are long lasting, good sillage, longevity, and that's actually what you're looking for in a fragrance. Something that pushes, something that projects, something that gives it 8 hours plus. And I know that this will do it without a doubt. Starry Nights, there are mixed reviews. Some people say they get up to 12 hours with it. Some people say it's an 8-hour scent. But once I do the testing, I'll be the judge of that. And I can promise you guys, I will be doing a review on both of these scents. Nevertheless, based on first impressions, they're solid, really solid. However, I wouldn't really advise you guys to just go ahead and blind buy these. Get samples and see if it is something for you. I can blind buy them because I don't shy away from fragrances, whether they're mass appealing or they're challenging. I'm not saying that these are challenging, but this is a whole different world from the safe buys of the designer realm. So that needs to be taken into consideration. Alright guys, but nevertheless, for me, there's solid pickups, and get your nose to them and see what you think about it. And I'm sure I can pick these up very reasonable online. So with that out of the way, looking great, smelling greater, man fi smell good. You can't go on road and look girl and smell like stale beer. Even though I don't know what stale beer smell like, but I'm sure it's not pleasant. Alright my peeps, stay safe, stay blessed. Whiteboy is out.